all increases the confidence interval except what were the options? Increase in sample size, decrease in sample size, increase in variability, none of the above. What does confidence interval mean? It is a range of values within which we are 95% confident that the true population value lies. So it is not a single value, it is a range of values. For example, if the population mean is 70 kg, if there are 100 people in your class and the average weight is 70 kg, that is the mean value of 70 kg. What will be the confidence interval? The confidence interval will be like 68 to 72 kg. Okay, this might be the confidence interval. Before going into details about confidence interval, first we will see the formula for confidence interval. 95% confidence interval for population means is equal to sample mean plus or minus 2 standard error. Okay, it's actually 1.96, but for sake of convenience, we'll have it as 2 standard error. What is standard error? Standard error is equal to standard deviation divided by root of sample size. So substitute this formula for standard error here. What do you see? You see the root of sample size coming as the denominator. So whenever the sample size is increasing, the population mean will decrease and the vice versa. So 95% confidence interval for the population mean indicates that there is 95% probability that the population mean actually lies within that particular confidence interval. If the mean weight of your class is 70 kg and the confidence interval is 68 to 72 kg, I am telling that it is 95% confidence interval, the 68 to 75, then it means that there is 95% probability that this population mean actually lies within the confidence interval of 68 to 72 kg. Similarly, this can be represented here also. See this 2.5% in the lower side, this 2.5% in the lower side. If the confidence interval is 95%, then it is like 68 to 72 and the mean value is 70, then I'm 95% confident that probability of mean value lying between this range between 68 to 72 is 95%. So wider confidence interval. If this confidence interval is wider, then it means we are not so confident. Okay, we are less accurate. So wider the confidence interval, less accurate or less reliable. Whereas if it is narrow, for example, if I'm saying my confidence interval is 69 to 71, then I'm more specific, more accurate. So the narrower the confidence interval, more accurate and more reliable my value is. So confidence interval can be decreased by increasing the sample size. We saw the formula. So variability, what does variability means? Variability refers to how spread out the data is. If the variability is more, if the data is more spread out, then the standard deviation increases. As a result, standard error increases, and as a result, confidence interval increases. Again, just substitute in the formula, you will understand this. So all increases the confidence interval except increase in sample size. Increase in sample size will decrease the confidence interval, will make the confidence interval narrower, thereby it will make the confidence interval more accurate and more reliable. Whereas decrease in sample size will increase the confidence interval, increase in variability also will increase the confidence interval.